Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. Today we are going to see how to make coconut milk broth or Paal Kuzhambu in Tamil. It is my grandmother's favorite recipe which I would like to share to you all. So let's see how to make it. In a vessel, put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, then add 1 tablespoon of urud dal. Saute them for a few seconds, then add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. When they have become golden brown in color, let's add our onions. I have took 2 medium-sized onions and thinly chopped them. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and continue to saute them. 3 green chilies, I've cut them in the middle and then I'm going to add them. So now let's saute them. Then I'm going to add few curry leaves and let's saute them for few minutes. Now we need to saute until the onions have become a little bit transparent. Once they're nicely sauteed, I'm going to add a medium-sized tomato which I have chopped and added inside. We need to saute them until the tomatoes have been nicely cooked and have become smashed. Once they're mashed like this, I'm going to add 3 potatoes which I have boiled and mashed them nicely. So now let's mix them nicely. Once the potatoes are evenly spread like this, I'm going to add coconut milk. Friends, you can take as much as quantity you want. If you want more quantity of the broth, you can add more coconut milk. I've taken coconut milk from 1.5 cups of coconut. And the coconut milk should not be too watery, it should be little bit thick. So now add some sea salt. You can also use normal salt. Now we need to wait until the coconut milk thickens little bit. My coconut milk has become thick and it has started to boil. Friends, look at the broth and all the vegetables inside. Isn't it tempting? Delicious. So now I have took 1 piece of cinnamon and 3 cloves and I have grinded them finely and nicely. Now let's mix them nicely until they are combined. After a few boils, you can switch off the stove. And that's it, our tasty and traditional Paal Kuzhambu or coconut milk broth is ready. So now I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. And that's it, it is ready. This recipe serves for adults. Friends, this is amazing with dosas and idlis only. You need to try this recipe out. It is unique and it has that traditional taste. So now let's try it with some crispy dosa. We are just going to tear the dosa and dip into this amazing broth. And look at it. Wow. It's amazing. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.